Hi Tushar,
Hello, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. So Tushar, tell me about which course did you enroll for?
Basically, I've done two courses from Henry Harvin, had Green Belt and Yellow Belt Six Sigma.
Okay, so tell me about the content quality that they deliver, the
That
trainers.
content quality was very good. Mostly, firstly, the PPTs were very helpful. They were like basic, like word to word PPTs. It was not like little format in the PPTs. It was contain whole content.
Okay, so tell me about the trainer's experience. How was your experience with the
They
trainer?
were so friendly and so calm. Like they were not like who will be just like shout on students and all. If we are even disturbing them, they were so calm with us and they were so good with us.
Okay, so like if you have any doubt, you can directly go to the
Yeah,
trainer and
exactly.
they'll
I will
clarify
directly,
it.
yes.
That's amazing. So is there any further recommendations that you would like to do to anybody who may be your relative or cousins or friends?
Yes, of course. I will surely go to my juniors and my relatives, sure, who are country like who will currently